going to check the attendance later. So for today class, I'm just going to remind this paper. So, chine-check ko siya isa-isa.
Maaga natapos yung first. Ay, hold on. I'm gonna do an intro first. What's up, guys? It's me, Pearly, the one and only. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, I'm no longer 15, but 16 years old. And that's it, basically. Today's my birthday. Today's my birthday. I didn't invite anyone today. I don't want anyone to be in my birthday but my family. Gusto ko lang tahimik na birthday. Birthday na matutulog lang ako, gigising ako at matutulog ulit ako. Ayun ang gusto ko mangyari sa birthday ko. Right now, I'm cutting pieces of paper kasi lalagay ko sa notebook ko. Tignan nyo to. See, this is my notebook for political government. For Philippine politics and governance. If you guys didn't know, binili ko notebook na ay ganito. I like these. I love them. Ang ganda ng paper. Tignan nyo kasi gusto ko yung ganda ng paper. Yung pag sinulatan mo, ganyan, di ba? Babakat sa likod. Gusto ko yung mga ganyan. Yung sobrang nipis lang. Tapos, basta I love kahit yung lines, I love the lines. Kasi sobrang liliit, sobrang didikit. I mean, sobrang dikit-dikit. So, these are the notebooks that are meant to be for me. I mean, that are meant to be with me, you know. Maaga na tapos yung first subject namin. My first subject is personal development. Itong notebook na to. And, ayun, ito yung first online class ko for this school year. Because if you watched my, my first week of senior high school vlog, you know na yung first 2 days na we were supposed to be on online class, hindi kami umattend. We didn't have classes. So, today yon yung first day namin, I guess, in online class. Sana lahat ng subjects mag-reorientation na lang. Kasi, today is my birthday. Ewan ko guys, this doesn't feel like my birthday. But it's definitely my birthday. So, ayun yung susuotin ko later. Itong pulang to. Obviously, I sewed it myself. Kasi, ginawa ko na siyang parang tradition na every birthday ko, susuotin kong damit, ako yung gumawa. Para naman, di ba, meron akong i-look forward sa birthday ko. Kahit hindi ako naghihintay for material blessings of God. At least, I have blessings of my own, which are my hands. Syempre, from God din yun, diba? Pero, ano yun? Pero, bigay na niya yun sa akin ever since I was born. So, yeah, I'm already thankful for that. Magpiprint pa ako ng isa pa eh. Nakalagay personal development journal. Kasi may pa-journal pa yung teacher ko sa personal development. And masaya naman kasi at least makakapag-journal na ako simula ngayon. Kasi required sa school. Pero, I wanted to try journaling for a while. Pero, I just can't find the motivation to do it. Dating si Mama, she gave me water and Biko. Yes, nakalagay sa Styro. Kasi Styro is cheap. So, a lot of people use Styro and Biko. Di ko naubos yung Biko. Maybe later, I'll finish it later. Alam nyo, kanina pagagising ko, tsaka kagabing bago ako matulog, I just realized I'm so tired of life. Ay, as in talaga. Kasi parang kakagising ko pa lang kanina, gusto ko na matulog ulit. I just want this day to end. Watch this, guys. Ay! Yeah. I feel so happy. Google. I love you, Google. I love you, I love Olivia. Look, I opened the door. This is not a regalo from Papa. Yay, I'm gonna open it. Hold on. Kahit na-wash na ako ngayon, kahit kailangan ko tumae, I'll open the gift first. So, I opened oh my god. So, pero kasi, first vlog ko ata ito na. Upi ako na talaga. iyak talaga. I didn't obviously feel yung pag-iyak ko na talaga. Pero nag-picture ako kanina. Habo, like yung, ano pala, baseline pala nung iyak ko. And then, I cried. I just finished crying. And then I filmed record. Kasi akala ko yung buha ko normal lang. Hindi pala, nabubula pala yung buha ko. Tapos clogged yung ino ko, diba? So, I opened my father's gift. It has a lady if you abandoned. So, syempre nagtanggalin ko yan. Ayaw masira yan. Kung nagtataka kayo, bakit ako umiyak? A lot of things are just happening all at once today, diba? Kakasabi ko nga kanina sa vlog na parang gusto ko lang matapos to araw na to. And for some reason, that's how I feel. It's not, hindi kasalanan ng ibang tao. It's not that other people are like mean people, bad people, or they're making my birthday horrible. Wait, anong oras yung next class ko? Wait lang, titignan ko lang, ha? Parang regular day lang yung birthday ko, not because of other people, it's because of me. Parang, oh my god, si Paul. I know guys, I'm disgusting. I just really have to cry today kasi parang basta I feel so overwhelmed. Parang pagising ko kanina, I just want to go to sleep na. Tapos parang, I don't know, parang I don't know, parang ano kasi, hindi lang kasi siya because of school na talagang nag-change yung environment. Tapos miss na miss ko na talaga St. Mary's. Hindi lang yun. It's parang, ewan ko eh, like, people, merong mga tao na I'm expecting na batiin ako. And hanggang ngayon, hindi pa nila ako binabate. Parang nalulungkot ako kasi hindi na ako binabate. And now, ayun pala talaga yung value nun kapag binabati ka nila. Parang pag hindi ka na nireplyan, nakakaasar. Pero alam mo yung, malay mo diba, naalala nila na birthday mo ngayon, tapos pati ka nila, yung mga ganun. Pero bukod ba nun, it's just that parang, ang long overdue nung iyak ko yun. Kasi, last week, may dado ako, it was my period days last week. And hindi ako nakaiyak na maayos. Kasi nga, parang hindi regular yung period ko last week. Kasi sobrang sakit ka ng tiyan ko. And hindi maayos yung flow ng blood. Hindi ako nakapag-period na maayos. So, parang yung hormones ko, hindi ko alam. Pero sobrang effective ng once a month ako umiiyak. And for the past 2 months, hindi ako nakaiyak. So, yung iyak ko ngayon, ayun yung iyak ko for the past 2 months. Hindi ko alam kung no June, umiyak pa ako or what. Pero, sobrang useful ang once a month umiiyak. And ngayon, nakaiyak ako ng sobra kasi today is my birthday and I don't know what I'm feeling. If I'm happy, I'm sad. Hindi ko alam. But obviously, I'm happy kasi it's my birthday. Iyak ko naman ako ba? I realize, kasi dati, hanggang ngayon hanggang ngayon, I still feel, ayoko na may nakakita sa akin, umiiyak ako. Kasi parang nakakita sila ng weakness ko. Diba? Pero, I don't like people seeing my weaknesses. Pero, this is me on my birthday. A lot of people are definitely gonna watch this. Even my family, my mom. Hi, mama. I know you're watching this. Sana wag mo ito pinapanood ng katabi mo, diba? Pero, yeah. Once a month ako umiiyak, guys. Specifically, during my second day of period. Kasi ando talaga nasa peak ako ng lahat ng emotions ko pag ganun. Pero ang laking tulong nun sa akin. Kasi parang nailalabas ko lahat ng mga nararamdaman ko. And now, ay, naku, grabe. Kailangan ko ayusin yung mukha ko para pagbaba ko, diba? Napigil ko talaga yung osh ko, guys. It's so disgusting. Naaalala ko, I think 13 years old na vlog ata ako, o 14 years old na vlog. Linag ko, sabi ko, I just did my first poop as a 13-year-old or as a 14-year-old. Now, siguro mamaya, I'm gonna do my first poop as a 16-year-old. Napakita sa yung regalo ni Papa because I was so fed up with myself. I was so caught up. So, ayun yung dedication niya. Happy birthday to you, Pearly Shell. Love, Papa you. Yeah. And these are Bluetooth earphones. I was looking for Bluetooth earphones kasi di ba, yung phone ko wala lang earphone plug. So, I have this. I'm so happy. Guys, kaka-turn ko lang ng 16. Tapos first time ko nahulog yung phone ko. Ay, 0.5 ko. First time ko nahulog yung phone ko. Tingnan ko may dent, scratch. Wala naman. Wait, oh my god, ba't ang dumi? Wait lang. Kaka-turn ko lang ng 16. Ayan, sa harap. Walay naman, walay. Kaka-16 ko lang, tapos unang beses ko pa nahulog yung cellphone ko. Like, what the heck? Tapos, kasi kukunin ko dapat to. Ayan. Tapos, para kunin ko to, nabitawan ko yung phone ko. Ang galing no, ang galing ni Pearly siya. I'm sick. You sick?
Yung sa mga ba?
Yeah! Yeah!
Yung baryang, huwag mong gagawin yun para pupaswerte yun. Kaya ko nilagyan ng barya.
Okay, okay.
Ha?
Okay. Gusto mo bigay ko sa'yo yung coin purse para may coin purse
Hindi,
ka?
ako dami kong conference eh. Para sa iyo, para hindi mo galawin yung tawag yan, yung barya.
Okay.
Ha? Para mag-ipunan mo.
Okay. Alright, everybody. So, ayan. I'm done with today na. I'm done. So, my last subject for Monday is political governance. It's Philippine politics and governance. And, yeah. Ang ganda ng sulat ko sa notebook na to. Kasi yung sa notebook na napili ko. Pero, I just had a realizationism na kapag ginamitan ko siya ng highlighter, babakat siya sa kabilang papel. So, hindi na ako gagamit ng highlighter. So, yan. Assignment ko. Ito yung course outline namin. Tapos, meron pa kaming kakabisaduhin yung 16 art. Ayun, si-search ko nga yun. Ito na yung suot ko. Tinanghi ko siya. Natapos ko siya kagabi. So, naribo ko yung right side. Yung left side, ewan ko kung anong balak niya sa buhay niya. Baka gusto niya maging, one sleeve. So, oh my god. Hindi maganda yung fit. I'm low-key not satisfied. Pero, it has pockets. So, ayan. Nakasatisfy yan. Mas masikip to kaysa dito. Bakit? Mukha akong Mukha akong isa sa mga mean girls na sasayaw. Good ingredients are... Oh my god. Ayun yung ika-caption ko, guys. I'm the cherry on top. Tree on top. Tree on top. Alright, guys. Pumunta sila Belle. Sila Shani, tsaka si Cheska. Yeah, lahat sila sa Paco. Ay, hindi! Si Cheska hindi sa Paco Catholic. Pero si Belle tsaka si Shani sa Paco Catholic. Hey, pangalawang hulog na ito, Jay. Bakit gan? Nag-16 ako, kunyari, ti.
You watch the gift of me.